Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the data and basic tools. Start now. First, verify the schema and pick the primary key because the index needs stable identifiers. Once done, install and configure your indexer with at least 4 GB memory and 2 worker threads to avoid bottlenecks. Then create a staging subset of 1,000 records and run an initial ingest. This lets you catch mapping errors early, so you won't waste time reprocessing the full dataset later. Now you configure mappings and the ingest pipeline. This is where most issues arise. You must define field types, text, keyword, date, numeric, and choose analyzers for search behavior, because improper mapping leads to poor results. Next, set bulk batch sizes between 5,000 and 20,000 records and watch latency metrics while you ramp up. Also add transforms to normalize casing, strip stop words, remove duplicates, and parse date. Finish by validating and optimizing the populated index. You want both accuracy and performance. Run validation queries and compare counts and sample hits to the source so you confirm completeness. Once verified, adjust refresh interval and replica count for your workload, and run a force merge only if the index is static to improve segment efficiency. If problems appear, check logs first, reindex a small subset to reproduce the issue, and if necessary, roll back to the last snapshot. This single troubleshooting path saves downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.